Hey everyone, so today we're making up this Tweety Bird Lego set. This is set number 40824. There's 412 pieces, and inside the box we get a booklet and 6 bags. So let's get started. Okay, so this is everything in bag 1. So we've got the feet done, the belly done, and the start of the arms and this tail done. And there's the main structure of the head starting to be formed. Really cute already. I don't know why that's like that. I'm sure it'll come to fruition. But yeah, that's the feet, and the feet move, the arms move, and the tail moves. So it's really adjustable. So let's carry on. Okay, so this is everything in bag number 2. So it's starting to build the head. Those are the cheeks at the bottom of the Tweety bird. So let's move on to bag 3. Okay guys, so that is bag 3. So we've got a printed eye pieces here. The head's all done with the hair detailing as well, and it's just so stinking cute. I mean, look at that. So let's move on to bag 4. Okay, so this is everything that was in bag number 4. So we first of all built the wings, which are adjustable. You also build this quiver, but you can, and bow, but you can change that out for this little bouquet of flowers. There's a little heart you can take on and off on the top of the head as well. So let's carry on with the build. So on to bag 5. Okay, so bag 5 builds the base, as you can see. which is a cloud-based one. So that's bag 5. So bag 6 will finish off this now. So let's get moving on to bag 6. Okay, you guys, so this is everything all together. Isn't this absolutely stunning? And of course, we've got the flowers as well. I am going to try and see if I can find a pin just to connect these to here that I've got spare, because I just think it's too glorious not to do so. In fact, whilst I'm talking to you. But yeah, I just think this is absolutely beautiful, stunning. It's just absolutely incredible. I love it to pieces. And I think that this is a really nice set. I do wish the clouds were a bit more cloudier around the edge, but I can't really see there being another issue. I haven't got another pin at the moment, but yeah, it's just too beautiful, and I can't wait to put this in my Lego Valentine's Day display. But what do you all think? Let me know, and I will see you all next time.